Hi everyone, it's me, and I want to do one last video for you guys to analyze this question. Okay. Considering the lack of time, is there any point to studying? If you look at this question, this is the singular assumption. The singular assumption is the lack of time, and the singular assumption is something that cannot be rebutted. You just take it to be true. Lack of time is assumed to be true. So in an essay, you will address the singular assumption in all of your paragraphs as far as possible. Maybe in your last paragraph, you want to give another point that doesn't have to deal with the singular assumption. You could, but as far as possible, you want to deal with the singular assumption. Okay, so the question, of course, is there any point, any in your mind, you'll be thinking, why bother studying for GP, right? Since there's no more time. Topic is studying for GP. And the short and sweet answer is yes, there is a point. Okay. I just wanted to give you some last minute reminders this weekend so that it's in your head. So if you can just pay attention, they are important reminders. The first reminder is that always use a the for these words. You want to say the majority, you want to say the minority, you want to say the United States, you want to say the United Kingdom. So always use the. You always want to use the with the internet, the with the arms trade as well. Okay, so try to remember that. Or remember to capitalize your countries. And you have to remember that Africa is not a country. Okay, you may use the term sub-Saharan Africa. Number 4, this is quite important. Some of you struggle with plurals a lot. Don't use an S with these words. Okay? So equipment, it is never equipments. It is always infrastructure, never infrastructures. Okay. You also want to make sure that you say elderly, and even if you have many elderly people, it is never, ever, ever, ever elderly. Okay, it's always many elderly people. Staff, crew, all of these words don't have an S. Do take note, it is always advice. I'm giving you advice right now. I'm not giving you advices, even though I have 4 points. It's always advice. It is always information, never ever informations. So please just remember these things. Okay. Number 5, prepositions. So discuss about is wrong. Okay. Emphasize on is also wrong. Is wrong. Voice out about is also wrong. So the correct term is just discuss, emphasize, and voice out. So I would like to discuss your good attitude towards GP and emphasize the need to stay calm, and you may voice out your concerns at the end of this video. Okay, so just take note of prepositions. And since we're talking about prepositions, for the AQ, when you're agreeing with the author, remember that this I agree with the author, not I agree to the author. So this when I agree to is wrong. Whenever you want to write I agree to this, you're basically agreeing to an action being done to you. So whenever you want to write I agree to, you think of the term I agree to be with. So it's wrong. It's wrong. I agree with the author. So number 5 and number 6, they are about prepositions. And now one about quantity. Okay, do not use the word lesser when it comes to for quantity. You probably want to use the term less. So you use the term less if it is uncountable, or you can use the term fewer if it is countable. So I would like less wine, please, but I would like fewer mistakes. So countable and uncountable, you can choose less or fewer depending on what the item is. Okay, number 8 is very important. I want you to pay attention. Please pay attention to every single word in the essay question. I would like you to address every single word in your intro as well, and in your essay. So make sure you see every small word is important, every adjective is important. Don't gloss over words, don't substitute terms, don't see one word and then take another word and put it in. Don't think in terms of topic and don't see, oh, this is the environment question, I'm going to do it regardless, and not pay attention to how it is phrased. Pay attention to how something is phrased, pay attention to absolute terms, pay attention to which is the easier approach. Okay, so that part's very, very important. Every time you write each paragraph, when you're writing your topic sentence, go back to the essay question and ask yourself, am I answering it? Am I answering the question? How can I answer this question? Okay, you can rephrase the question in your topic sentence, but you must try to answer the question. You don't have to just keep repeating the sentence stem, but you must answer the question. Okay, I think 8 last-minute reminders is a lucky number. I do have one more. Remember to stay calm. Please get enough sleep. I think you have improved a lot in the last 2 years. I'm very proud of your thinking. I'm proud of your writing. And I think you will do fine. Okay, so don't worry, don't fret. I care for you, and I think you will do well. And I want to wish you good luck, and you'll be fine. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.